Okay, no way.
What the hell? Different life or different value.
Yes, if it's a cockroach, will you go down? Obviously not. But if it's a dog, yeah, probably would.
Okay guys, I want to paint you guys a scenario. Okay, let's say you guys were on your way home and you guys saw a cat drowning in a canal.
Okay.
What will you guys
Drowning.
What interesting question, eh? Drowning in the canal.
I got anything on me, no?
Huh? Maybe your everyday bag your everyday carry
So alone
Yeah. Wait, so asking this question means you will try to help lah.
I mean, I will assess my surrounding see if I can help And
You have a dinghy, right? The cat can float on the dinghy.
What's a dinghy?
No, like rubber boat
Yeah.
What's
Yeah.
what's a dinghy? I might try to help actually. You all know I live beside a longkang, right? So if let's say the cat is there, because when I was younger, I used to play in a longkang. I don't know whether you all got do that or not.
Yeah, you look like a longkang boy.
Fishing.
Yeah. So when now
funny.
so it's not too crazy of an idea to go down
But if the cat is drowning,
Means the water is very high, yeah.
I mean, I most probably will be about my belly level.
By the time you go in, the cat float far away already.
By the time I go in, you're up to my chest level. I will try to help. I will assess and then see if I can help. If I cannot, then that's the question
You guys
What do I call
I think it's difficult to do anything about it.
Yeah.
You will not help.
Probably not. Probably not.
Natural selection.
There's little you can do to help By the time you want to do anything, the cat is floating away already.
Yeah.
Then you
I think same but on top of it, I probably was like, oh my god, that kind of. Then I ask him to do something.
Like you all can also call for help. That's one of the alternatives.
And then what is the guy who's gonna come down gonna do?
I mean, you
because
can
the water is flowing.
I think so. You get more people can help rather than
Possibly. If you got more resources, maybe, yeah.
But you're talking about like the water is flowing, right?
No let's just say it's just the
cat is stationary
Yeah.
there.
Oh
swimming
no,
against
then
current,
different.
I mean it's just water there then the cat just yesterday jumped inside.
Oh.
It's not
Then maybe I might.
Because
Go down,
even if the water is on our knee level, right, the cat will still drown. Right?
No,
Unless he can dog paddle cat
I think
paddle.
cats can they?
Can.
Yeah, they can do that.
Animals
yeah.
naturally.
So
can.
you will help if it's not like a sweeping current lah.
Yes.
I find those what you call the plants that like twirl kind. Then
By the time you go and find the cat, drink water already
How you want the cat to hold?
I plug then I try to drop, try to hit.
You loop it around the neck. By the time you
one
say it, the cat die.
do one loop and then try to loop the neck. Yeah.
What will you do?
Natural selection.
So you just walk away.
Yeah, well, I mean
I don't know if it's a dog, I will go down and save.
yeah, okay,
Cat's scared.
That's my question. Let's say right, if it's another animal, let's say it's not a cat or not a dog. Let's say it's just like a bird or let's say a squirrel.
Okay, no way.
What the hell? Different life or different value.
Yes, if it's a cockroach, will you go down? Obviously not. But if it's a dog, yeah, probably would.
The reason why I asked you guys this question right is because this incident right actually happened recently at Jalan Besar. Okay, so this couple right was walking home and then he heard some noises of distress coming from the canal. And then it's cat noises and then there's a big commotion around the canal where he can see many people trying to help to save the cat.
So the cat was stationary
Yeah, it was stationary. So the passerby was like using a dustpan and they were using a fish net.
Oh, that's good.
A big net trying to help. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys a video of what happened.
Imagine the fish net, the guppy fish net. Right?
Okay, so this is the video
Oh, that's quite deep.
What the?
As in quite far down.
Oh! That's a dustpan Yeah, they extended the dustpan with another stick.
Oh, not bad.
Quite smart, resourceful
Yeah.
Oh, there's a net!
Wow.
Wow.
How come where do they all... How do they get all these?
Okay, cause I stay around this area, right, actually there's a lot of people fishing here. This is just behind the CC.
Oh, you're not scared
The cat actually can
Yeah.
It's safe This cat I won't save.
So he meowing from like shiok
Because there's actually an opening somewhere further down, right? So
there's always an opening.
Did the cat?
Oh.
Did it?
Yeah, so basically what happened, right, is that their attempt was futile lah. So they didn't actually manage to save the cat.
Okay.
So these two couple, right, they realized that they can help. With them, right, they have an umbrella and also a USB cable.
USB cable?
How long is the USB
strong
cable?
cable?
How is that going to help?
Okay, so then after that, right, they found a stick nearby, a very long stick. They tied the umbrella towards the end using the USB cable to tie the umbrella to the stick.
Oh.
Good.
And then they tried to help the cat lah. And then I tell you, this is I think so like, you know, they always say there's hope for humanity, right? You know, when like a lot of people come together to save this one poor creature lah. And it's a very beautiful sight lah. So I'm gonna show you what happened.
Alright, kampung style.
Humanity restored.
Yes. Okay. So this is the makeshift scooper lah with the umbrella and the long stick.
Yeah, they find a long stick.
So there were 6 people helping.
Alright.
Oh, super crazy.
Oh no!
Oh shit. Oh yeah, you'll flip.
Wow.
Oh,
They're like the encik ah. Hey, go up only, faster.
the sound.
This one is like everyone is helping it. All the 3 sticks, right?
Everyone was helping.
Beautifully done.
Wow.
Sekali the cat want to swim. Hey, let me go.
Okay, so watching this, right, what are your thoughts?
Quite surprised that they actually managed to do it because firstly, it's not a shallow canal. Thirdly, secondly, just where they get all the resources from, yeah. Because in order for them to go and gather all these, right, it takes time,
like I said,
the passerby had it on them, right?
With them
But
already.
like 2 long stick, 1 dustpan. The
Stick is
fish-
One is from the ground,
Stick
yeah,
from the
the
ground.
wooden.
those ape right around that my area there, right, they all not there fishing, no? They gather there fishing. Yeah, so luckily the cat fall into the right canal.
Right canal.
You got any thoughts?
The situational awareness of the people there not bad lah. Is realize that there's a cat there, quickly get your resources, come together and do it.
And it is quite wonderful because like you wouldn't like would you sacrifice your personal belongings just to save a cat?
I mean umbrella all doesn't matter.
Yeah, $10 to save one life, no, why not?
Okay, that one I don't know lah, but it's an umbrella. Not say it's gonna spoil also.
I feel it's more of like, you know, usually, right, if you pass by something, right, like of help, right, you need to help someone, right, they like
Don't care so much about the
yeah, correct. So when the first person who initiated, right, that is the one that is the most important because that will trigger all to come and help. It's that kind of like concept. If like, you know, when one queue for something, right, then they think this is very good, then they all queue. So I think it's more of the person who initiated this act. That is the something that is more brilliant lah. Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Okay, but honestly, if I'm there, I probably will not help. Because I don't think the cat is in need of help. I feel honestly, I don't think the cat is in need of help.
Really?
He was swimming, he was doing fine. There will be a hole somewhere where he can seek refuge for a while, then you can climb up from there also. So I don't think the cat was in any danger.
Okay, I got one last final question for you guys. Okay, I want to ask you guys first, right? Would you guys want any pets now?
Yes.
Because you guys said yes, right? Because like the previous video, you say you want a silverback gorilla, you say you want a lion. Okay, let's be realistic, okay? If you guys want, you guys have a pet, right? What pet will it be?
The dog.
Dog, yeah.
Oh, wow, all 3 want dog.
You?
I don't want a pet lah, but if I were to, because I very fascinated by goldfish. I think in the previous video I got say.
That's the most useless pet.
Oh, you got see like very nice goldfish, those competition style one.
The chubby, then a bit like...
Actually, competition, right? Any fish is nice, no? Not just goldfish.
So I want to like breed this kind of nice goldfish lah. But it's also take a lot of work lah. Okay, so this is my question lah. This is a very interesting question. Okay, so you guys all want a dog, right? Let's say your dog, right, have a tumor. Okay, your dog have a tumor and it's gonna die lah if it's not treated lah. And the operation costs 12k.
Hello, Joseph.
But I have...
Operate or new dog?
What would you guys do, man? Because I say the cost to get a dog is around 5 to 800.
5 to 800.
No lah.
1,000 lah.
It's way more than that.
Okay, but it's not 12k. Right? Okay,
It's not 12k. It can be lah.
Yeah. 2K plus, 3K and above.
Okay, let's say okay. So you guys know lah. Will you guys save the dog?
Okay, my deciding factor right is
how old?
How old? How old and how much money?
And the dog with you for 2 years or?
No, as in how old is the dog lah?
Yeah, with you for 2 years, so 14 years lah.
As in 2 years lah.
2 years old, yeah, 2 years old.
Oh yeah, save oh.
It's a long way to go.
Yeah.
But you need to go and get the bank loan then how?
No more dog. No more dog.
A difficult question.
Yeah, actually what would you do?
Because you trust K, you can buy 6 dogs.
It's a pedigree one, one for 12K already. Okay, nowadays dogs damn expensive, no?
Super expensive.
Normal dogs already almost 10K.
I don't have Chow Chow also like 10 plus.
Expensive nowadays. But I really don't know.
Because you had a dog before, is it?
I had a dog
Let's say,
before.
imagine
You
that
had a
is-
dog before?
Yeah.
Long time ago.
You had a dog also, right?
Yeah.
So imagine that is the dog that you guys grew up with, spending time with, you love lah. Let's say he really got a stillborn.
That dog ran away.